job, yung trabaho nasa Amerika. Pero since I was here, nagkaroon ako ng offer. So, sabi ko, well, sa beginning, yung sa Channel 7 nga, so sa Channel 2, until na-straighten out yun, ito ngayon, I'm still doing with the channel. So, hindi ko akalain na aabot ko hanggang ito katagal. So, this is all just the bonus. Like I always say, I have nothing to complain about, but everything to thank for. Kasi yung opportunities na hindi ko inisip na magkakaroon ako, all of a sudden, yun ang mas maraming dumarating. Ang mind ko nakafocus sa real estate back in America. Oo, so ang bala ko, uwi ako. But since nangyari to, sabi ko, okay, I'm sure gagawa lang kami ng 1 or 2 movies. Tapos parang legacy na lang. I'm more careful about doing roles now. Nung araw, kung anong project ang bigay sa'yo, sila ang nag-isip nun para gawin yung project.
Sino sila? Managers?
Producers. Hanggang ngayon naman is mga producers pa rin. Pero now, you have a choice to accept that story or not. Because marami silang storya. And they can develop stories. So if you interact with them and throw your suggestions, it's creative anyway. They listen. Well, ang drama kasi ay more relaxed drama. Pero mas gusto ko rin yung horror, comedy, magawa na rin ako ng horror. Kasi nagkaroon ako ng thrill pag nanonood ako ng Sixth Sense. Marami. Yun naman, para maging iba naman. Wala namang, meron medyo, meron ka naman ng konting thrill sa buhay, di ba? Nung nasa Amerika, nakukumbida ako sa mga Filipino communities. FPJ was the most influential person to me. Pagdating sa singing, hindi yan ang action. Sa singing, siya ang nagsabi sa akin na pagka kinumbida ka sa entablado, kailangan meron kang kanta. Miski isa lang. Para hindi ka mapaya at hindi mo sila i-let down. Diba? Kasi kung sinabi mo, sorry, I don't sing. I-let down mo naman yung mga tao gusto mong makita. Because FPJ that pushed me to sing. Kaya daw sabi ng father ko sa akin, nandiyan ka na lang din. Galingan mo na. This was not singing. This was the movies. Ginamit ko lang yung feeling na yon dito sa pagkakanta. Naalala ko yung words eh. Sa kahit na anong bagay, nandiyan ka na lang din. Galingan mo na. Bakit ko tinanggap yung Casey movie? Is because si Casey ang nagtanong sa akin. Sabi niya, Pa, would you like to do a movie? Would you mind doing a movie with me? I'd like to do a movie with you. Eh, hindi ka ba doon? Eh, anak mo na ang nag-request. That was one question I really wanted to answer. Her with a yes. Of course. Why? Gusto niya. I mean, pwede naman pwede niya mag-umpisa ng movie na kasama ang mami. Or kahit na sino. Bakit gusto niya ako? So nakita ko sa kanya na batang to talagang genuinely loves me. I mean, pwede naman niya ipakita sa akin behind stage. Pero ito, pinakita niya sa publiko talaga na I wanna do a movie with my papa. I wanna do a movie with my papa. Marami kang butas na arayang na dadaanan. Marami kang times na masasaktan ka. May mga personal dyan, may mga professional, mayroong creative naman, no? Pipintasan ka sa trabaho. But it's all part of the group. the ingredients of showbiz. Titibayan mo lang yung sigmura mo talaga. Diba? Ganon talaga.
Number one advice mo, tibayan ang sigmura mo.
Oo, kasi sa kahit na ang trabaho, you go through the same thing. Wala namang trabaho madali. Nagiging madali na lang dahil nakakasanayan mo na. Napag-aaralan mo na, nakikita mo, it becomes a routine sometimes. And just like any other job, it's just like any other job. Just like me, nung pumasok ako, I take my example, si Erpat, nung binanggit ko yung showbiz,
Ayaw.
I mean, he's old enough to know now what's going on. Hindi niya sinabi sa akin, no?
Oh, okay.
Sabi niya sa akin, think about it. When we're in school, we go to school to get a degree. And that degree is our passport to a job.
Right.
It sets our life. You get a job. This is a job. Now, you have to promise me, in any negosyo, in any business, meron kang 1 year or 2 years na trial period, if that business is gonna work or not.
Sound advice, okay.
Some people can do two things at the same time. If you can go to school at the same time work, that's even better. But if you feel that you cannot go to school, you have to promise me that if it does not work out, you're still young, you go back to school. I have my goals, I try to go for it. If you don't achieve that, then there must be something better. It's not the end of the world. I have my goals, but I'm not backing on it. Anything goes.
So flexible ka.
Some people will say, no, you need to set a goal and you have to go for it, go for it, go for it. Because you'll get it. That's true. I've tried that. I did not get what I wanted, but I got something else better. So I don't stick to just one saying. Stick to that, yeah, but keep your doors open for other opportunities.